All right. Here we are back again with another Shoe Snob unboxing video series. One Take Wonders. Here's the third video of the day. You won't know that because you'll see them on different days, but it's the third one as I'm going through everything that I have to play catch up. All right, we have a new brand. They come from a different country. The shoes are made in Europe, but yeah, it's exciting stuff. It's cool to see that people from around the world are joining the industry, putting their little unique spins on it, and can build a following. So the only problem with this brand is that I'm definitely going to butcher the name. I don't know how to pronounce it in the slightest, but let's take a look and I'll do my best. So the brand is Cru Nonpareil, something of that nature. I'll obviously leave this in the notes so you don't have to Google, because with my butchering of that word, it is going to be hard for you to do it yourself. But yeah, Cru Nonpareil is a newer brand on the scene. I like how they have a slogan on the box: "Put frustration in your past by stepping into a variety of comfortable dress shoes." At the same time, I think that the main slogan of putting frustration in your past is because Cru offers a wide variety of sizes and widths. So they offer from US 5 to US 18 in a standard D and a triple E. So a lot of people above size 13 probably have a hard time finding shoes. And this is where they came in to offer that solution and do so at a quick pace. So let's take a look. Here we go. Loafer Seville Radica Museum for Justin. Nice little custom label there. US 7D. So their shoes run on the larger side. So I took a half size down than I normally do. There's a kind of model number or whatnot, but I presume that will be more internal. So let's take a look. All right, everything is black, nice sturdy box, black packaging, black, keep it real simple, black bags, kind of a, let me share what this is, kind of a synthetic cotton polyester style bag. You know, it's well protected with all the stuffing at the end of the day, so these probably don't move around. And let's take a look at these very interesting loafers. So the owner's name is Kenwin. He does not make that a secret, as I believe he is a one-man band, which is kudos to him. And what I like about Kenwin is he likes unique things. He has his own style and his own ideas that he puts together that I find quite interesting, like these loafers. So let's just take a quick look at what we have here. We have a grained, hole cut with an apron loafer with tan piping and a ridged storm welt and a commando sole. You never thought you'd hear all those things together in one sentence, did you? But pretty cool. I can't lie. Again, being a jean guy, stuff like this, you know, I would find a time and a place for, because this type of stuff goes easy with jeans. Well, for me, most dress shoes go easy with jeans, but this kind of more rugged appeal, this could serve in these, you know, beautiful, horrible New York winters that we have, you know, with a nice pair of thick socks. So yeah, great stuff. The shoes are made out of Spain. Kenwin has a small ready-to-wear collection, but specializes mainly in made-to-order that are promised at a 3 to 4 week turnaround time. The shoes are made in Spain. I do feel that sizing can be tricky. These are a 7 and they still feel generous. So it's wild for me to be under US 7, because I'm really UK 7 narrow. So a last really has to be huge. So I would definitely have to wear these with thicker socks, because with the thin dress socks I usually wear, I do believe my heels would be popping out. So would definitely make sure to work on sizing if you were to communicate with Kenwin. Just looking at some things here. The making is great. The welt joining has a little bit of noticeable things. I know lots of people who love to complain about that, but that's really inconsequential by all means, especially on the inside. On the outside, flawless. Leather is nice. The shoe is very solid. Fully leather lined, although I do know they are Goodyear welted, but fully leather lined, which can be a nice feature if you like that kind of soft leather feel at your toes there. Good quality stuff. The ready-to-wear making this is what's impressive, unless I missed something. But the ready-to-wear shoes are $270. But the made-to-order shoes are only $286. It's a $16 MTO fee, which is incredible. But at the same time, when I went to go do a mock checkout, I got an automatic 15% discount, which put it down to $243. So $243 for Goodyear welted shoes. I can't say that came. I just did like a very basic mock-up, so I don't know if the Commando sole with the Ridge Storm welt counts as that price, but I did the tassel loafer with a single leather sole, $243. 3 to 4 week turnaround. You can customize it how you want. I dare say that's a great price and option for you to be able to get that kind of customization in that short of time for that low of price from Spanish made shoes. So yeah, great stuff. If you like to support small artisan individuals, Kenwin's got a great eye for design. I like a lot of the stuff he puts together. It's unique, it's different. Takes some guts because they're not always subtle. So this one's on the more subtle side, being that it's black grain, although it has some strong contrast. But beautiful shoes. I think they're cool. I would definitely wear this type of style. It is kind of a chunky sole, I won't lie. Normally I don't wear heels that large, but I like the concept. I like the look. I'm an American standards a shorter guy, so I don't like shoes to be overly big looking, or it looks like I'm elevator styling it, which I'm not, because I don't mind my height. But yeah, cool stuff. Nice lash shape, very classic chisel, which I think is necessary with that type of sole. If you're going to carry that type of sole on a loafer, I think it needs to be on a chisel. On a round last, it would just be too like. So the nice elongated look, I think, suits well this idea. Very solid sole. I don't know if I'm going blind here, but it looks like one piece, that sole. So that is quite the heel right there. No stack. It's going to be hard to wear that sucker out. So original Goodyear welt. I like the logo. It's clean. If only I knew how to pronounce it. Sorry, Kenwin. Should have talked about that prior. Anyway, if you like things that are unique and different, and you want to be able to customize shoes for under $300 in a 4-week turnaround, definitely give Cru a look. Again, I will leave the link below so you can check it out easily. Nice to support Kenwin. I forgot to tell you where he hails from, that Kenwin is from Trinidad and Tobago. And yeah, I think it's cool that people from the Caribbean are starting their own shoe lines and doing everything remotely. That's not easy, because I've done it remotely. It's challenging. So good to see young guys out there with passion, making things happen, and being able to support his own island with good shoes. And it's hard to find that. I visit Dominican Republic all the time, and let me tell you, even though they have a shoemaking culture, not any good shoes there. Not any good dress shoes, excuse me. They have great boat shoes. They have Timberlands and everything, but no great dress shoes. So it's cool that Kenwin is bringing this to his local town and being able to get guys dressing better in the Caribbean, which often has a very relaxed mentality. It's the island life. So cheers to him for doing that. But that doesn't mean that he can't supply the rest of us in the rest of the world. So if you like these kind of unique styles, definitely give Kenwin a look. He's doing some cool stuff and apparently at some incredible prices. So thanks as always for tuning in. This will be my last video of the day. I got to get to work now. Thank you as always, and wishing everybody a great day.